There are two aspects of university education. It's the living and learning. It encompasses two parts. One is the learning, and the other part is the living experience, the campus life. As a matter of fact, both the special learning of hard skills as well as the so-called liberal arts learning of soft skills, they are both important in a university setting. Thereby, after having reviewed the reflections of the academics and also the needs from the enterprise, the industries, I think it comes to understanding that the goal of a university education should nurture ideal graduates, to have the students to understand and appreciate the meaning and values between people, matter, environment. And also, education should be humanity-centric. What do we teach the students is perhaps a set of skills that would equip students with ability to learn, not necessarily a specific topic, but ability to learn and ability to deliver. And so also to have a diversity in knowledge with the humanistic content, and also possess interpersonal skills and teamwork spirit, to be passionate for serving others, and also to have the global perspectives. Then naturally you would like to have positive thinking and also right directions. So by summary in this part is that the university must provide two aspects of higher education: hard skills, specialty learning, and the soft skills, liberal arts learning. The combination of the two, hard and soft skills, gives you the smart power in order to help you in your future career. So the key points for positioning of the future universities: everyone working in the higher education must think about what the future needs are, what kind of teaching environment we should provide to our students and our faculty members. What should be the content that we teach our students? I sort of think about there are three very important points, three groups of considerations for positioning of the future university. These three include: one, curriculum programs and degrees, and two, methodology of teaching and learning, and three, nurturing of soft skills. In each of the three categories, there are some important points that one has to consider. For instance, when you define a curriculum program, a degree program, you can consider open university. You can consider students who are non-traditional. They are not just high school graduates. They are lifelong learners. And you have to consider the cross-disciplinary program, even mission-driven specific curriculum program for the students. Thereby, double majors, minors, cluster programs becomes very common in the future universities, in my opinion. In terms of methodology of learning and teaching, we need to certainly be student-centered. The pedagogy which you use to help students to learn is centered around the quality assurance of the student learning. We need to train students to be able to handle so-called problem-based learning, in addition to subject-based learning. And in the future, in terms of the methodology of teaching, blended teaching methods, a combination of virtual and real learning methods with the diverse teaching forms, will become common. And we need to educate our students and nurture our students to be able to learn how to learn. In addition to the special skills, we know that soft skills are important. Thereby, the language, the writing, the speech, interpersonal skills, or even civil responsibilities need to be taught, to be nurtured in a university setting. A student also required to have quantitative and logical reasoning, and also understand the technology and the society relationship, and also need to build a character, charisma, and the values for the society. Beyond understanding the subject topics, soft skills, it is also important for students to be able to have internationalization in order to be able to work with other people in different countries with a different culture and history and speak in different languages. Need to be able to have a team spirit, and they need to have a rich and fulfilling campus life.